Alright, what's up guys? So I'm here today to do the first mod on this car. Um, so I'm here today. I'm gonna do a huge mod for this car. I'm really excited. I had a special package for so long. I got an extra hand. Don't worry, it's not a dead body. It's just my buddy down there helping me out. Yeah. We're gonna do a full catback exhaust on this car, and I mean, I can't wait. I just can't wait. So we just clear up the area a little bit, get stuff ready. We jacked it up, get all the clearance we need, got all the tools what we need right here. So this should be a breeze. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the exhaust we got. So this is what I got. AWE track exhaust. Reason why I went for this exhaust mainly because of for the what you get for the money. Good quality sound, aggressive, sporty, everything for actually a decent price. You know what I'm saying? Well built and everything. So I can't really take this for a try. Can't wait to try this out. We'll go ahead and we're gonna unbox this and make sure we got everything ready. Make sure everything is, you know, everything what we got in the package is ready to go to put the sucker in.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, so we're gonna grab the first one. JG. Yeah, man, look at that. Well, we know where that pipe is. Hey, put it back in there.
Watch out.
Alright, so we already assembled it to see what we're doing, see what we're working with, make sure all the parts are here.
Yeah.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
Let me close up. Yep, so far so good. So we have X pipe to the resonator, for the mid resonator, and it's gonna be pretty much straight pipe from here.
Boy,
So
this man had no exhaust on this move.
so there's no mufflers in the back.
Yeah, no mufflers on this
Got all my clamps, all my bolts, washers. So I also got the exhaust tip. Looks really nice. Yeah, man. Eventually it's gonna sound pretty much like this.
Hey,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah. It passed the test. It passed the test.
But it always sounds like somebody on the
Yeah, man. It's good. It sounds good.
It can't. I need to. I'm gonna give trade the car in.
Nah.
Sound like that.
Hey, if it sounds like that, it sounds better than your G. And also,
Hey, bro.
sorry, my bad. Also, they gave me a lollipop. I don't know why.
Gave you a lollipop.
Yeah, they gave me a lollipop. I think it says blow me. Nah, my bad. Blow pop. So.
Bruh.
Hey.
You gonna get demonetized for fucking around with you like that.
Alright, I'll cut that out. I'll cut that out. My bad. But let me zoom in.
No, you cool.
I know, but you're right. I don't want to be demonetized.
But you ain't demonetized, damn it.
But yeah, got a lollipop, which is kind of cool. You know, at least something to be happy while you're enjoying your brand new exhaust. Thanks for $1's worth, I guess. Free stuff. Maybe I paid for it. I don't know. But this is it. This is the setup. So the next step, pretty much, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the exhaust apart, and I'm gonna assemble this piece by piece to make it a little bit easier. So from this angle, I'm working on the floor, so it's kind of limited, but I'm trying to show you the best I can. So under the car, what you're pointing at, it's gonna be where the end of the downpipe is. So we're gonna get those two bolts off to disconnect it to the catback. So with that, there's a cross member right behind where those bolts are. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to zoom in to get you to see what I'm talking about.
No, you good.
Alright, so this is a cross member. We have to clear this out. So I believe those are maybe 15s. But we're going to be 15s maybe. And get this off. Get those loosened. Rock them out. And go ahead and unscrew the hangers. The mounts for those. So there's one right there. There's one over there, and then the rest where the mufflers are, and the rest where the mufflers are. One's gonna be right there, and the last one is gonna be right there. So it's pretty straightforward. It's not really difficult. It's not hard. I'll probably use scale this to like. Maybe based on difficulty, I'll probably give it like a 2 out of 5. But you do need an extra hand, mainly because of the weight. And this catback is a whole single piece, so that's why.
14.
Oh, so it's a 14?
Yeah.
Ah, crap.
This shit gonna be hilarious.
This is why you need a buddy, man. When you're going through this, it'll be a headache. Trying to get tools. There you go. We got a winner?
Yeah, a little bit of play.
So I probably use 13, bro.
Yeah, let's see if a 13.
Yo, I thought it was gonna be 13 maybe because it's like the Volkswagen, but like maybe not. 13s. It's gotta be the winner right here.
Yup.
Alright.
Exact fit.
Be careful, bro. You know what? Hold on. Let me get some goggles first, bro. A mechanic will say, I'm fine, I don't need no goggles, I can see what I could do. You know, a technician would actually take the initiative to protect their own eyes. So be a technician, not a grease monkey. I'm just saying, man. Go ahead.
Doing the Smokey the Bear advertisement.
Good? No, trust me, it's fine because it's still hanging in with the downpipe.
Yeah, I was like, tank kind of dropped a little bit too.
Oh yeah, because it's one piece, the tank and that.
They gonna come on over here, scoot over here.
Oh,
on the move, goddamn, just to be sure. Goddamn,
I doubt the whole tank.
Fucking fall
I doubt the whole tank. Ah, what was that? What was that?
Bolts.
Hey, you see what I'm talking about? That's why you need goggles.
Hey,
Don't be a grease monkey. Be a technician. Be the right kind, cause this right here would have hit his eye, and then now I gotta try to get him home because I don't want to be liable for his injury.
God damn.
All right, man. Go ahead. Pull the trigger.
Hey, tank.
See, the tank is going anywhere, bro. Got it?
Yeah, already. The amount of space that I have.
Yeah, same bolt, so you gotta do that side as well.
I'm pretty sure it's 13 as well.
Got that out. Damn, ice cold. Oh, it's a.
Yeah, I can't. Yeah.
It's a nut, no homo. Okay, so the nut's gonna be on the left side. Okay, that's another nut. What's the problem? You won't. What? Is something wrong?
No. I just need to maneuver.
No, not. Oh, to go back.
Yeah.
If you want to take a break, I'll switch up.
No, I think I'm good. But
So right now we're gonna go ahead and loosen it. Yep, that's all that noise. Yeah, we're going ahead and loosen that up. Make sure it's, we could tug it out. So he just got one side.
There's one nut that just fell out.
Yeah, that's cool. Yep.
Oh.
Don't worry, it won't collapse on you. Once it's still in there, it won't collapse. But don't try to wiggle it, it will fall on you.
Yeah.
So my goal is now we're gonna. You done?
Yeah.
Right.
You want me to take all the bolts or just loosen them?
loosen them. I don't want to take the bolts out. Yep, so we just jacked it up. Yeah. We just jacked it up to make sure it looks pretty much good. Hold it steady, because you know you want to think smart when you do this. Safety first, like I said. Literally nothing else is holding this.
Yeah.
So we're gonna slowly drop this, and we're gonna wiggle it out.
Yeah.
So it's finally out. So it's pretty huge, man. It's like one big unit. So try to invest in some better friends. Had a quick emergency, so he gotta go. It is what it is. But alright, man. But he actually helped me out assemble the whole exhaust, so I could tweak it myself, make sure all is good. So this is it so far. So I just gotta finish it up, and she should be ready. So we did pretty much everything. I did the tip just to see how it looks, and secured it. I also secured all the clamps for the muffler, for the resonator, all the way back to the end. So it's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere. I'm gonna, unfortunately, it's getting really dark and late, and I know you guys can't really see much, so I'm just gonna call it a night, and you guys are gonna see the rest tomorrow. So this is how the AWE exhaust looks. Got the silver tips.